Hi there! In this class, I'm going to teach you how to draw some 3D shapes. When you are trying to draw something 3D, straight lines are important. So you don't need anything special or any special tools to learn these skills. But you can still use a ruler if you want. I'm just using a pencil and a paper, but feel free to use a pen, a colored pencil or crayons. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to draw 7 basic 3D shapes with some helpful tips and tricks. Each of them is broken down into simple steps that helps you build the overall form. Cubes can be drawn in different ways. But here I'm going to show you one way of how to draw the cube. Cube can be drawn from a two-dimensional figure which is square. And let's see how can we draw a cube using a square. Draw a square. And then from 3 corners, draw the diagonal lines. And now connect all the lines. Let's see how can we draw a dice using a cube. Let's draw a cone. Let's draw a triangle. Now, draw 2 sides of the triangle and draw a horizontal oval connecting the 2 sides. The lines for each side should start at the either edges of the oval and meet in the middle above the center of the oval. I'm drawing a hat using a cone. Let's draw a pyramid. Draw a triangle and from one corner draw a slanting line and connect it to the top edge of the triangle. Now let's see how to draw a triangular prism. When drawing a prism, start with a simple flat triangle. And draw two parallel lines from the edges of the triangle and connect the two parallel lines with a line. It doesn't matter which side you choose. I'm going to show you how to draw a tent using a triangular prism. Let's draw a cylinder now. To draw a cylinder, start with an oval. Don't worry if you can't draw it perfectly. Just try a couple of times. Draw two straight lines and connect the straight lines with an oval in the bottom. These lines can be as long as you want. Let's draw a mug using cylinder. Rectangular prism is just like how you draw a cube. For a rectangular prism, we will draw a rectangle. Draw three diagonal lines from the three corners and then connect them. I'm going to show you how to draw a box using a rectangular prism. The last 3D shape we are going to draw is a sphere. There are several ways to draw a sphere, ranging from very simple to very complex. Drawing a sphere will start with a simple circle. So you can draw a circle freehand, or you can trace with a stencil or use a household item if you want. Now draw the curved lines across the circle. This will make it appear like a three-dimensional sphere. I'm going to draw a ball using a sphere. So these are the basic three-dimensional shapes. Now let's color them. If you want to draw something realistic, then 3D shapes are a foundation for doing so. Once you know how to imply multidimensional forms, you can apply your knowledge to all types of subjects. Thanks for watching this class.